should go. And we're talking about someone else. Well, we should be talking about ourselves. It's the same old situation. You've always got me waiting. Come on, dear, I think time's a wasting before we have to go back inside and return to our normal lives. This is a love song for a girl who will never know it's about her. Know it's pretty stupid, but I'm much too shy to tell her. She's beaming that smile all the while. I'm all trapped up on my own throat. I guess there is no
I know there's lots of love in your heart, but who you gonna give it to? I'm sure there's lots of guys that you see, but I swear they're not as cool as me. Girl, I could take you where you wanna go. If you wanna ride, we could watch a movie, hit the beach, or just chill and get high. And we can do whatever you wanna do. Baby, I want some of your love, your love. Baby, can I have some of your love?
Oh, won't you stay for the ride? 'Cause all the views will be nice. Lend the stories that we'll tell our friends. We'll make him laugh until the party ends. Oh, won't you stay for the ride? It's do or die. Let's turn this 10 into 11 and make a jump to 7 heaven.
Like we always do at this time, I go for mine, I get to shine. Now throw your hands up